Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February 27th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We got a lot of precipitation to be talking about. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map. The whole United States, pretty much, just about every state, just about got some kind of watch warning or advisory for their state. So we'll talk about that. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and the storm report that came in this afternoon. And also, we're going to take a look at for stretching from portion of the northeastern United States down into portions of the Kentucky and Tennessee River Valley. So stick around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos on social media. Tell your friends, family, neighbor. Make sure they hit that subscribe button. Make sure they hit the notification button so that way when a forecast comes out, it will notify you. So that way you will get a chance to see my forecast. So don't forget to smash the notification button to get your notification turned on. When I issue a forecast, you will get notified by me as well. So make sure you tell your friends, family, neighbors, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure you hit the notification. When I issue a forecast, you will know exactly when it comes out. Alright, well, let's go and get the show on the road here, folks, and we're going to talk about some weather. We got a large area of mixed precipitation standing from up here in New Brunswick through portion of Canada, all the way to Maine, to Rhode Island, down to Delaware, D.C., portion of Virginia, even western North Carolina mountains, upstate South Carolina mountain, you included, North Georgia, northern Alabama, northern Mississippi through Tennessee, all the way up to Michigan. Even got some freezing rain possible up here in portions of the Great Lakes region. Also into portions, some heavy snow possible there as well, and also some snow also in northern Michigan, also in the Great Lakes region. We got thunderstorms and showers from the outer banks of North Carolina off into coastal waters through Virginia, through the Carolinas, Georgia, all the way over to Mississippi, portion of Alabama, portion of Arkansas, and also into Louisiana. A little bit of shower activity down across northeastern Mexico, southern Texas. Also got another little system here moving into New Mexico and Texas, bringing some showers across Texas, also into portion of northern Mexico. Also some thunderstorms and showers over northwestern Mexico and southern Arizona. Got some mixed precipitation over portion of Arizona and New Mexico into the panhandle of Texas as well. Also, we have some up here in portion of the Seattle, Washington region and the Washington, Oregon state, down in northern California and the Idaho, portion of Montana, and also in the portions of Wyoming as well. Some heavy expected in a few locations. Northern Idaho, southern Portland, Oregon, maybe northern California, thunderstorms and showers along coastal areas. Back to the portion of Four Corners, portion of Texas, the Gulf of California, much of Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, Florida, southern Georgia, the Panhandle of Florida as well. Here's your Thursday forecast now. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow up here in portion of Maine, also in the New Brunswick. Same over portion of New York State, down into Pennsylvania, the Great Lakes region, over towards South Canada. Also more mixed precipitation in Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois. More mixed up across southern New Mexico, eastern Arizona. Eastern Arizona getting a little bit of mixed precipitation also. Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and also into Oklahoma. Alright, shower activity along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, down in central California as well, and also coastal waters. Heavy snow possible over portions of Washington, Oregon, and California, and also Idaho and Montana region. with some dates as well. Alright, all this activity is for your Thursday. February, Carolinas, also back into Tennessee and Kentucky, and North Georgia, Alabama. Also got some scattered activity over around towards the Mississippi, back into Arkansas, and also Texas, Nebraska, and other Kansas, also back up to Minnesota, Wisconsin. Also, we have some tornadoes and severe thunderstorm warnings up here as well for a portion of Illinois. We had a tornado report up there as well. We'll get to that in the storm reports. And more activity over in portion of Washington, Oregon State. And a little bit of scatter. I'm gonna go ahead and take me a nap. As soon as I start taking a nap, it pops up. All right, but anyway, we got a lot of just like I said, just about every state in the United States has something in it. Um, all right, as we can see, we got a little bit of flood watches up here in portion of Maine, also in New York State. We have wind advisory extending from Maine all the way down into portion of New Hampshire. Watches up here in portion of West Virginia, Ohio. Some high wind warnings also in effect for the northeastern United States. I mean watches, that is. Yeah, these high wind watches, excuse me, for New York State over toward portion of Connecticut, also towards the Massachusetts region, also over towards the Vermont, New England area. Same down in portion of Pennsylvania. And also we have wind advisory stretching all the way from Kentucky to portion of Indiana, all the way up to portion of Iowa, also into Missouri. Yeah, over here in Missouri, all the way up into portion of North Dakota, all the way down to portion of East Texas, Louisiana, all the way over to Georgia. Red flag warning still in effect for you guys here in portion of Missouri, back to Kansas, also in Oklahoma, Texas. High wind warnings been posted for you guys in North Texas, also much of areas of New Mexico, West Texas. Wind advisory is also in effect there as well, and also over in Arizona, same up in the portion of Nevada. We also have a blizzard warning for the mountains of California. Winter storm warnings in the pink, stretching from North California through Washington, Oregon State, a little bit in winter weather advisory, up here in portions of Washington State, Oregon, and Montana. Avalanche warnings there as well. Tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings there as well. And also we have some wind chill warnings in effect. Reported in northern Minnesota and north coastal areas. Got the storm warning down to California. Also from the Gulf of Mexico, from South Texas over to the Florida warnings there as well. Winter weather advisory has also been posted for you guys in Michigan, and also wind advisory there as well. All right, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center overview. The convective outlook should show, takes the precipitation off right there. Current watch. All right, here are the current watches over portions of southern Wisconsin, also northern Illinois, portion of northwest Indiana, and also the coastal waters off the Michigan coast. All right, let's take a look at the MDS discussion. See if it'll come up here. All right, the blue right here, this is a blizzard. This is for heavy snow. This is a concerning tornado watch that's currently in effect. And this here is a concerning severe tornado watch, maybe western and southwest. Look at the storm. Alright, so far, according to this here, we have one, but down here there's two, so there's another one confirmed up here in portion of Illinois. We had 10 hail recover immediately. And let's take a look at the fire weather concern, because we did have some fires out, and it was pretty much a critical fire weather. They changed it a little bit. It was down here, but I see they got the elevated risk for West Texas. Here's the critical fire weather. North Texas and Oklahoma. Well, it might come. quit saying quick. Might as well. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think I need to start. I think I need to start a day before. More general thunderstorm from Detroit, Michigan, down towards Nashville, down towards Atlanta, Raleigh, all the way up towards Scranton, Pennsylvania. That's the marginal risk. General thunders. This is the marginal risk here. That is Wednesday. Tornado probability. Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky. If you live in Lexington, Fayetteville, risk for a tornado on Wednesday. See if we can get to the winds. I'm sorry it ain't showing it, but all right, same, pretty much same area. The wind will be Knoxville, Tennessee. Percent in them locations there. Let's take a look at the hail probability. Grant, Pennsylvania. So we're good on the hail, large hail reports. All right. Sorry about the sloppiness in this forecast, but this old computer is a piece of junk. So it's a piece of junk. So but anyway, I hope everybody has a great day. Hope everybody enjoyed the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care.